Oga Guardiola, how it takes the Champions League finals match between Liverpool and Tottenham? The match boring die. As I just started to watch the match, sleep catch me throw away. The time when I wake up, now when Liverpool they celebrate on top the trophy. Waiting to talk finish for commentator mouth. Because say, them know they play any better thing. The match no just dey like Champions League finals. People who are come watch like Salah, Mane, Harry Kane, Son, even Mura, where I think say in blood they hot. Them no just play anything. Tottenham no even they play like people where they won't go down safe. The match na wash. But you thought say they sleep throughout the time where them they play the match. How you come take know all these things wey happen for the match? I dey awake in the spirit. Now my spirit watch the match come tell me wetin happen, so I come browse am come see na true. Okay, but make I ask you one last question. Okay, why be say since you win your domestic treble, you just dey carry the trophies up and down everywhere you go? Na to take tell some people say I don't achieve wetin them and their club never achieve for their life. Even safe, to carry this Premier League trophy hard past Champions League. Talk less.
Salah, yeah! If you like, sell all those your local trophies. You no go fit buy one Champions League trophy. Yeah.
You can't carry Premier League now, make I see you.
Next season now, season for Premier League.
Ole, 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 ole. Ole, ole. Never walk alone.
Oga Unai, wetin make you dey jollificate pass people wey carry the trophy? Abi UEFA don't give una permission to come Champions League next season?
Boy, wetin happen better pass that one wey dey talk so.
Wetin be that?
Tottenham no win Champions League.
Ah, now make you dey rejoice like this?
Nah. You know wetin for me if to say Tottenham carry that trophy enter London? You go come be say na only us for London wey go trophyless. Plus including say we no dey go Champions League next season. Haba! Londoners go come dey look us like outcasts. Or even people wey go relegation.
Poche. I don't tell you say make you no dey cry, eh?
As you dey cry now, you no know say you better pass plenty people.
Nah. Like nah, even if them talk say them want sack you, other clubs go just rush you immediately based on wetin you don't achieve with Tottenham. You no go dey unemployed like some people.
Sorry, wetin that your talk come mean now?
I just tell am say some people wey them sack still dey find work till now. Say him no go dey like them based on say plenty clubs won't make him coach them.
See, sorry, I no come here for you to start to dey insult me because me and you go dig am here, nah.
Poche. Abeg, no mind them. At least you see Champions League go next season.
I could go Champions League next season, but I'm not sure. Say we go fit reach finals like this again.
No be say you no sure. You no go fit reach Champions League finals again. Now why I tell you that time say make you rejoice all your rejoice as you reach finals. But make you no worry. Only talk through. Una go Champions League next season. You suppose happy for that one because it gets people wey spend money pass you this season and them no even see Champions League to take go next season. Them no even reach finals for anything safe. But you reach finals for a whole Champions League and you go still come Champions League next season.
Sorry, you're fed there. You and your generation the craze. Nonsense.